In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a Godaddy online store. To get started, leave the website editor and head back to your Godaddy dashboard. This is where you will manage the store side of your website, including the products you want to sell. If you are currently inside the editor, simply exit so you can access the main dashboard menu and the full set of commerce tools. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the Commerce section and then open Products. This area is where all of your store items are created, organized, and managed. If this is your first time setting up products, this section may still be empty, and that is completely fine. You are about to add your first item. Next, click Add Product. Godaddy will ask you what type of product you want to create. You can choose physical if you are selling something that needs to be shipped, such as clothing, accessories, or handmade goods. You can choose digital if you are selling something customers can download, such as a file, guide, or digital resource. Make sure you select the option that matches what you plan to sell, so your store is set up correctly from the beginning. After that, enter the product details. Start with the item name and make it clear and easy to understand. Then add the price. Be sure the amount is accurate, since this is what customers will see before purchasing. Next, write the product description. This is your chance to explain what the item is, what it includes, and any important details the customer should know. Keep it clear and informative so buyers can feel confident about what they are purchasing. Then upload product photos. Good images help customers understand the product better and can make your store look more professional. Use photos that are clean, well-lit, and easy to view. If you have more than one image, choose the one that best represents the item as the main photo. Finally, enter your available stock quantity in the inventory field. This tells Godaddy how many units you currently have available for sale. Keeping this accurate is important, especially if you are managing physical items and want to avoid overselling. Once everything looks correct, click Save to publish the product to your store. That covers everything you need to know.